Forgiveness. It's a word we all know, yet it can feel like one of the hardest things to truly embrace. But what if I told you that forgiveness holds a power unlike any other? A power to heal, to free, and to transform not just others, but ourselves. Forgiveness is not about forgetting the pain or excusing the hurt. It's about releasing the heavy burden we carry when we hold on to anger and resentment. When we forgive, we unlock the chains that keep our hearts trapped in suffering. Many of us carry deep, painful wounds. We ask ourselves, how can I forgive when the hurt runs so deep? Forgiveness is a choice, a courageous decision to let go, not for the person who wronged us, but for ourselves. Scientific studies show that forgiving others lowers stress, reduces anxiety, and improves physical health. It calms our nervous system and helps us find peace. Forgiveness isn't weakness. It's a powerful act of strength, a gift of compassion we give ourselves. Consider Sarah, who carried anger for years after a friend's betrayal. When she chose to forgive, not to forget, but to heal, she found new light within herself. Forgiveness mends relationships and strengthens communities, building bridges where walls once stood. So how can you begin? Start small. Reflect on a pain you carry, then gently choose to release it. Today, I invite you to take the first step. Think of someone you need to forgive, even if it's yourself. Forgiveness is a journey worth taking, for your heart, for your soul, for your life. Start your forgiveness journey today.